We're now in Pena Palace. Welcome to the Pena Palace. Court from the top. We're going into the piano noble room and the paiso noble room. I have no idea what it's called. King's bedroom.
Roof girls, all the acorns. Holy moly. Is this one of your favourite rooms?
Yeah.
Why?
Hey.
You can see the ocean, yeah. It's down there, isn't it? Beautiful.
The palace was great, and now it's time to explore the palace and the gardens.
Let's go.
Let's go. Go. Over the bridge we go!
It's like an old swimming pool down there.
It's huge! 3 hours later. 6 years later.
Girls, I think I've spotted a little secret spot. Alright girls, we're just having a little break, aren't we? Yeah. So far we're having a look around the gardens, but in the palace, which we can kind of see up there, what were some of your favourite things? We might start with Sienna.
I like the church and the lookout areas and The bedrooms.
The bedrooms?
Yeah.
What about you, Sam?
I like the smoking room, but I don't like smoking at all.
Yeah.
And I really love the lookout areas. It's really pretty and cool.
Yeah, it's a beautiful. Did you like all the colours?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
it's very, very pretty. Imagine those views, waking up and having bedroom views like that, hey?
It'd be like bright. How did the Queen and King walk up these two mountains?
Well, they probably just had someone carry them. What do you reckon?
The horses.
The horses, that's a good way. Yes, of course.
Piggyback.
Of course, a horse.
If we come here, smell the gardens around here because it smells delicious. Geese, so many geese. I love a duck.
What did you spot, girls? All the ducks? They're all sitting on each stone, aren't they? Each duck has got its own little rock down there.
That one.
What do we spot in the lake just then?
House?
Whoa, it's like a little mini castle, isn't it?
It's like a mini island and a mini castle.
We saw some big fat fish in there too, didn't we?
How do they get to there?
Oh, I must have used a boat and rowed over with some... Yeah, it's a good question. Huh? I don't know. Oh, these ancient trees. They're huge. We find a little hut, little farmhouse.
It looks like Hagrid's hut.
It does, doesn't it? We got rocket and that's fennel, lots of different herbs in there. Maybe this is where Queen and King had their stash of herbs and veggies.
Yeah.
That's the old stables. A greenhouse.
Going to the gardener's house, and it's very bright. It's very pinkish, purplish. It's a nice little house out in the ocean.
Pretty cute, isn't it? Look, it's Hansel and Gretel's house. Check it out. That looks awesome. Wow, look at the windowsills and everything. It's all made out of bark, isn't it?
Very golden.
Look at that. Wow. Look. The whole thing's made out of bark. That is incredible. Check it out. Oh, so it's Elise Hensler. She was here at 1836 to 1929.
Hi guys, thank you for watching our video at the Pena Palace and the Gardens. See you next Portuguese episode. See ya, mate!